Enjoy this content? I did too. Here, let me show you how it's done on your mobile. But before we dive in, hi, I am Emmanuel and you are at OMMICANGS. Stick to the end of this video to get an amazing offer. You probably came across this video because you're in search of how to make money online, or perhaps YouTube suggested it to you. Either ways, you'll love this as it would up your technical skill on mobile. With that being said, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how the video which you previously viewed was made. With that, I'm on my app which I used to create it. I edited 2 pictures. I'm going to show you how I edited it. You're going to come straight right into your photo. You're going to have to import pictures from your files. So you see, you can move it through. Just select pictures you're going to use for it. Yeah, I'm going to select this one, which you already have here. So for you to just move it down to your project, you just tap on this plus sign, and once you tap on it, it comes right straight into your project. That's one. Like for the second one, you could also sit at the top of that place, and I'll just tap on it too, and both of them are there. So there we have it. Let's just come right straight back in. So now we have the 2 pictures we are going to use for this content. This is just it. This is the first one, and we have the image of the second one there. Now, since we have the pictures for it now, all we need now is to work on the content. Now, for the first content, we're going to have to edit your text. You come straight to look for, we have different types of text on this app. But for the sake of this content, I'm going to be showing you the one I specifically used for it. Come to cool effects. That's the first one I did for it. This top one is in OMC right here. This top one is in the OMC. I use the cool effect on that one. Then you tap on this plus sign, it's going to come right straight here. Now I want you to note this. If you look at this, I specifically calculated how many seconds I'm going to use for this content to edit this one. You see, it started on a 3-second and it ended on a 7-second. Yeah, that shows that it's a 4-second. So which you have here, it's up on this new and it's gone straight here down. So on this OMC, so you have to edit your text. I edited OMC there. So now once you edit your text, you can select your font type. We have so many type of font type which you would like to use, but I'm using a Prosciutto on it. So now we've gotten it, you could select any color of your choice you want to use for it. You could use a yellow, you could use a green, you could use a blue. But for this one, I'm using a white. Not just any type of white, transparent white on that one. You could increase the brightness to make it stand out. Now if you tap on it, you can see, you can make it bigger. You could either make it smaller, stretching out with my 2 fingers. Use your 2 fingers to expand it, and you move it around it. Make sure you're setting it at the right position so that it's at the right place. So with that, I'm going to edit the second one, the daily quote for the day. You come down here, just same way as you edited that cool effects. I edited this one too. I brought in that one, daily quote for the day. So you also come to design, this design button, and here as you are on the design button, you could also select your font here too. Select any type of font you want to use. Still yet, I'm using a Prosciutto on it. So after that, I'm going to have to do an animation on it. We have two types of animation. We have the in animation and the out animation. The animation is something like a slideshow that actually brings in the content in and takes it out, just like a picture, something like that. So for this in animation, you could use a series of different animation here. We have different type on it here. We have the amplify vertical, the magnet, the unite, the roller coaster. We should know how roller coasters do work. But for this one, I'm using a magnet and I'm going to set the duration timer, which you see right here. Set it on the 2.8. You can see it's moving on this place. Yeah, because it's drawing from this angle here. So I'm gonna leave it on the 2.8, 2.7, right? It's okay on the 2.7. So the out action. App is misbehaving. Okay, let's go back into it. Edit projects. So we're back. So now I want to show you, look at how this place moved in. See? Yeah, that's what the in and out animation does. It brings in the content and it also feeds it out. Yeah, that's it. Now mind you, you could see these small dots rounding in the middle of in between those two pictures. Yeah, that's actually that feature too. You could also use feature to walking around those two pictures. Every middle of picture you have that there. So I'll be using the diagonal, which I already set a 3-second time on it. So with that, you could also edit your content through this place. You bring it through the text. Then you're going to be using a colorful on this one. You could use a still, a text, or even a border. Those are 3 common ones I do use, but I'm using a still on this. You tap on that plus sign, it comes right straight here. So once it comes in here, you edit your text. When you edit your text, come straight out and you come into your designer, select the same fonts which you're still using, then you customize your in and out animation here, which I'm using a flocking here. Let's set to 2.4 duration time here. For the out animation, I use an amplify vertical. So for you to get as much as this, you could duplicate this duplicate button, tap on it, it can duplicate this same content that you just typed in now. So all you got to do is just open it and re-edit the text. Just change the text. When you come in here, you just change it, you tap on another one, you could clean it or then input any other different type of text you want to put in back. Drop in the same text that I cleaned before. So there you have it. You could move it up or down anywhere you want it to be. See that? That's that. So as you've done that, make sure it's always on the 30-second, because I'm doing a 30-second video on this content. So once you've edited your content, edited the text, and imported your pictures, so the next one you gotta give it to background music to make make it look appealing, to make it sound. You understand what I'm saying? So to get that, you come straight, tap on this button, you have the video, photo, you just tap straight to music. And under the music, you could also have your own music files there. And you could also stock music. You could download music from this app. I have a few downloaded here, so just select any one you want to use from here. We have a positive ideas. Yeah, these positive ideas. That's what I've done here. So that's that. So we have positive. You could also tune in, fade in, and fade out the music. Yeah, you can see. I worked on this. Yes, this one is just to increase and lower the pitch of the music. The music might be too loud or too low. You just increase or lower the pitch from this end here. So whilst you're doing that, there are some certain places that are too loud and you just want to decrease it. Just come straight to this place. See, you could fade in and fade out like that. The way that animation came, you see it's going to be moving according to the way you increased and lower the pitch. The sound is going to be going that way, as you see here. So while you're done with that, you could just go back and just look at how we edited it, how it went so far. See? Yeah, that's the content. See, that's how the in animation fades in and fades out. Looks cool, right? Very cool. And once you're done with that, we're good to go. So all you have to do now is to download. Come to this top button. You have to saw the button right up top. That's arrow. The arrow you're sighting there. Tap on that arrow there. You could produce the video, share on Facebook, on YouTube, or for me, I decided to save to gallery. So you could use different video resolution, a 360 pixel, 720 pixel, or just you can use a full HD 1080 pixel. Note this, no matter what pixel you are using, it depends on how large the file is going to be. If you are using a 720 pixel, the file is going to be a little lower and the quality of that content is going to be very superb. But using a full HD, it makes it, the quality is going to come out more and the video is going to look fantastic to it. But the file is going to be large. Well, not too large, at least around 40 to 45 MB or so. So you tap on produce. There we have it, it's going to be producing. And once it's done, it's going to be saved on your gallery there. It doesn't take a few seconds, less than a minute or so, it's done. Oh, mind you, I forgot to tell you, if you're enjoying this content, you could advise you like and subscribe so that you could be notified when content like this dropping on our YouTube channel. That's the patience with it's going to be going very soon. There we have it. It's saved. Tap it done. There we have it. We're done for it. We've completed our first project out, and that's how it was made. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video.